How you doing? I got my toolkit here and we're going to find out what I carry for my job on a daily basis, and we'll take them all out one by one. Let's go. So let's start with the outside pockets. I'm going to start from this side here. I've got a long reach oiler, general purpose oiling needs. I just have a roll of double-sided tape in here. Got some grease. I have some thread locker or Loctite type thing to the two different strengths. A couple common used wrenches that I use on my job. Measuring tape. Got a 3/8 socket. I've got a 1/4 inch socket, 1/4 inch extension. And then in front, got a package of screws. I use those a lot, so they're always on me. Permanent marker and a normal pen. I've got some different driver tips. Those guys there. Okay, over on this side I've got electrical tape. I've got a little level. Here I've got a spring hook kick with extensions and stuff. Got a scraper. Toothbrush. Hey man, these are really good for cleaning gears and stuff. Some of you probably know. Don't throw them out when you're done with your own teeth. And I got a clamp in here if I can ever get it out. There we go. Comes in use handy for a variety of things. So we're going to take a brief look inside here before I start pulling stuff out. This is my inside my toolkit. I'm going to start hauling stuff out one by one. Okay, I'm going to start on this side. I have 3 sizes of Robertson screwdrivers. I have a small standard. I have a large adjustable wrench, channel lock. In the back pockets here, I got side cutters, large plier, and a smaller channel lock. I've got needle nose plier and wire strippers. I do a little electrical as well on my job. Got a pair of scissors and multi-bit screwdriver. I got forceps, the locking ones. I've got some Allen keys, Allen wrenches, round file, bit driver extension. It's also a flexible one, comes in handy. I have an extension mirror. I got to peek behind things sometimes, so use that guy. I've got a set of tweezers, just a knife, flat file, some small Allen wrenches. These particular Allen wrenches I have are just ones I use commonly, so I have them kind of separate pockets for them. Some small wrenches, a 6-inch ruler. I have some dry lube spray. I've got 2 sizes of flathead screwdrivers, Phillips, small adjustable wrench, standard hammer, a pair of gloves. I use gloves a lot more now. Working with small tools, I used to get so many injuries on the fingers, so now I use a lot fewer band-aids, let's just say that. circuit tester. I've got a full set of Allen keys wrenches. They're standard and metric. Both are in that package. I've got tin snips. Miscellaneous nuts and screws. All my parts left over. Haha. I've got a variety of screwdriver bits. Clamp meter, multimeter as well. And I got some big wrenches as well, just bigger ones. This sock here, I have safety glasses. I keep them in here. Just keeps them from getting scratched. Now, I have a colleague of mine that he actually uses a little Tupperware type container, which is an awesome idea because sometimes this can get squashed in here or crushed. But I have to find one that size, like a Tupperware container. But that's a great idea, I think. I got a package of little wire wraps, wire ties. My impact driver. I use that thing constantly. Now in the pocket here I got a couple rings of commonly used sockets. Keep them on the rings, kind of keep them together. And I got a couple stubbies, a flat head, and a Phillips. Also in the pocket, I've got a couple bit drive adapters to sockets, core wrench and the other one, and a punch. And I also have a bit driver wrench like this. It's great for if you can't fit a screwdriver in somewhere. So some days I add more tools to the kit. Soldering iron, a sawzall, an extension cord, a small sledgehammer, these types of things. Stuff I don't use every day and I don't want to weigh down the kit by leaving them in there all the time, and it takes a lot more room up. But some of those things just rotate in and out as needed. But so that's what I carry. Hopefully you found it interesting and get some ideas. Take care.